Hello, let me show you why Page ReWriter is the only content tool that SEOs will ever need. So when you log in, the first thing you do is you set up a project, and this is based on keywords. So we'll pop in fencing company in London. Click next, your project is set up. First thing you do is choose your keyword, and you can use this for multiple keywords. Choose the location you want that keyword to be searched, and select the location and click Get Content. Almost instantly, the content comes back and is broken down into meta titles, meta descriptions, H1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, all the way down to 6s, paragraph content, anchor text, outbound, URLs, alt tags, emphasized keywords, ordered list, unordered list, and table tags. Now, if I was writing content for this fencing company, I'd simply go to the paragraph text, pick the text that I wanted. So let's say garden fencing London has been, we'll have that. Red Cedar fencing, we'll have that. We don't want to give advice on fencing, YMS fencing, security fences, steel palisade fences, wrought iron fences, another advantage. So I'm not going to go to town on this too much, so I'll just choose what we've actually got. I'd select this, and I'd say I wanted to use this for a section inside of my content. First thing I'm going to do is take it over to Copyscape and paste it in here and say, is this on any other website? As you can see straight away, it does not pass Copyscape. There is lots and lots and lots of content on there that's on other websites. So then you take it, click on the AI rewriter, paste it into there, click on rewrite. Almost instantly, the content comes back and it's been rewritten by the software. We take that over to Copyscape. And as you can see, it passes Copyscape, meaning you have perfect content from the first page of Google for your web page that is written word perfect, reads perfectly, and retains the meaning so that it will rank just as well as the previous content that was on the first page of Google. This works for any industry. It doesn't matter if it's a local industry, a national industry, whether you're doing manual trades or professional. This will work for any industry, no matter what you're writing in, and the content that it brings out is designed to rank because you're using content that Google likes and loves right now because it's content being pulled from the first page of Google.